In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise great for beginners. The right hand is going to be in classic root triad position, so every other key, thumb, 3 and 5. And on the white keys, we're just looking at the white keys, we're going to be moving up this hand position, one white key at a time. And the left hand, very similar, but we're similar hand position. We're in the C position, named by its leftmost note. But in this case, rather than doing the full triad, we're only going to do the open fifth. We're going to use our thumb and our pinky, the outer two notes, and not the middle note. The right hand is going to use the middle note of the triad. So an open fifth block and the triad in the right hand, same position. We're going to start at C and move up successive white keys. And we're going to move up 8 times, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Once we hit this C at the octave above where we started, we're going to hit that one again and then come down each hand position. Make sure that all the notes are sounding at the same time, that you're not getting, we don't want that, we want it all to be solid as a single unit and all the notes to be equal in volume too. Okay, I'm going to do the whole exercise, it's not very long. That's the whole exercise. It's great for beginners. Have fun with that.